I wish I learned how to trade Forex when I was 20 years old. Now, this is my advice to every 20 years old who wants to learn how to trade Forex. Firstly, you have to get rid of the idea that Forex trading is a get-rich-quick scheme. While Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it is actually a high-income paying skill that can pay you for the rest of your life if you learn and master the skill set. And that takes us to the second tip on this video: learn before you earn. So in your first year of trading, you want to focus on learning a particular strategy that would work for you, and you backtest the strategy over and over again with a few instruments that you understand. So you want to focus on learning as much as you got to learn before you start paying attention to how much you want to earn from the system. Now, the third tip on this video is you got to practice on your demo. Now, some people ask me, how long should I practice on my demo? My response to that is practice over and over again until you get it right. And even when you get your live account, make sure you come back to your demo account whenever you have a new strategy or a new idea, or you want to try out something new. Make sure you come back to your demo account to try it out first.